To access the community, you want to type in community.theflowerempowered.com, and that will take you to your login screen. So you can just type in your username and password and click the login button. This is going to open the community, and the first thing we're going to do is look at how to create a post. So if you look to the right hand side, you see there's lots of different community spaces. So select the one that you want. In this case, we're going to open the pelvic organ prolapse space. And here you can just click New Post. You can type a title for your post and then type whatever information you want to put in there. So I'm just going to type some random text in here just so that you get a feel for how this works. So once you've typed in some text, you also have a couple of additional options. So you have the option to add formatting. You can mention a person in the post. So for example, I'm going to tag myself in this post, my other account, and there's lots of different options. So maybe you want to put in some emojis, and you have all these little icons at the bottom. So you can upload a video, you can embed a link to a video on YouTube or Vimeo. You have the option to add images, and you can also add GIFs. So we're going to just add a little GIF here just for the sake of it. So you just need to, once you select a GIF, you just need to wait a moment for that to upload, and then just click post to add your post. And then we're going to look at how to add a comment. So you can just click on the little comments button and then type in whatever you want. You have the option to add emojis and everything there as well, and click post, and that will post it. If you're not happy with your comment, click on the three little dots. You can edit or delete the comment. Next, we're going to look at how to send a message. So for the message, you can click on the little message button up at the top, then go to the to bar, type in the name of the person you want to send the message to, and then type the text into the message box. Once you're happy with the text in your message box, you will click send. This is direct personal message, so you're messaging only that person and nobody else can see. Once you click send, the message shows up for that person and they can type a response and you can respond again. So just use it in the same way as you would use any normal messaging service, where you will send a message to that person, they will respond, you and them can see the message. Obviously, you can add more than one person into that message group if you choose to do so. And the next thing we're going to look at is how to change your preferences. If you click on your little profile picture, you can edit your profile. And here you have the option to add in some text. And when we created the account, we've already looked at that, but you can go into notifications here. And in the notifications section, you have the option to opt in to notifications via email or via the app. So if you're an iPhone user, you may be using the app, and you can turn things off individually, or you can do it up at the top at group level. So you choose what you want to do. And then also all the spaces that you are a member of, you can select your preferences there for what you want added into those spaces. So if you want to be notified when people put posts or pin posts, you can also turn off all notifications if you don't ever want to receive any notifications. And then if you click on the subscriptions, if you have any paid subscriptions, you'll see them there. And the next thing we will look at is how to get access to premium spaces. The premium spaces here, if we look at the live Q&A session, there we have weekly sessions, so you can subscribe for access to that. Now you do get it free if you're on the 8-phase training, but you can subscribe for monthly access. Also, the 8-phase training spaces, they are premium, but if you sign up for the course, you do get access to that. So you can click through to find out more about that.